We're transforming this untidy garden hose into a neat storage solution in under 15 minutes with a Holman battery-powered hose reel. Before installing, pick a suitable spot close to your garden tap to install your hose reel. Here, we're mounting it to weatherboard, but you can also mount to masonry bricks or a concrete wall. At the bottom of the wall bracket, loosen the locking screw to detach it from the housing. This makes installing the bracket much easier. Be sure to check for a structural beam that will hold the weight of your hose reel. Hold the wall bracket into position. Use a spirit level or your smartphone to ensure it's level before penciling in your drill marks. Since we're mounting the hose reel onto weatherboard, we are pre-drilling pilot holes using a smaller drill bit. For this project, we're using 4 standard wood screws with matching washers to mount the bracket onto the wall, ensuring the locking screw is at the bottom. Once attached to the wall, slide your hose reel into the bracket. Tighten the locking screw until it's secure. Use a 2-way outlet to be able to connect multiple hoses or timers to your tap. Click the hose connector onto one of the tap outlets. If the battery is low, recharging is easy. Simply unclick from the top of the reel and plug it in to charge somewhere indoors. The battery is fully charged when all 3 blue lights are solid. Once charged, click the battery back into the hose reel to enjoy easy watering. Unlike spring-loaded hose reels, unwinding the hose to its full 30 meters is easier than ever. When you're finished watering, simply push the run button to engage the motor, retract the hose, and guide it back into its case. Holman, for the smart gardener.